hunters. A coordinated nocturnal hunt showcases the power of the pride. Utilizing stealth, the lionesses surround their target before. How does the leopard utilize trees for both hunting vantage points and food storage to keep its kill away from scavengers? The cheetah's spine is incredibly flexible, acting like a spring. This allows for massive strides. A complex social structure defines the pack, but when the hunt begins, their highly successful tactics. The spotted hyena is often misunderstood. It is both a highly capable apex predator hunting down swift prey. At the river crossings, the Nile crocodile employs classic ambush tactics, waiting patiently before exploding into action with a powerful strike. With a powerful launch, the caracal can leap 10 feet high, snatching birds from the air with breathtaking precision. With its enormous ears swiveling independently, the serval can pinpoint the exact location of rodents hidden deep within the grass. Highly adaptable, the black-backed jackal hunts rodents and insects, but always remains wary of larger neighbors, like the lion resting nearby. The side-striped jackal, characterized by its distinctive markings and rounded ears, is shyer than its relatives. Fierce and relentless, the African wildcat stalks its prey. This apex predator plays a vital role in the ecosystem, keeping rodent numbers in check. Living in these termite mounds, the troop relies on cooperation. A sentry scans for danger while the others expels. Meet the aardwolf. This cousin to the hyena has a unique striped appearance and feeds exclusively on insects. When faced with a threat like the African rock python, the banded mongoose employs a strategy known as mobbing, overwhelming the predator with numbers. A solitary creature of the night, the slender mongoose demonstrates remarkable agility, rapidly ascending the tree with practiced ease. As the only true fox in southern Africa, the Cape fox utilizes its large ears to hunt in the arid Karoo. An adaptation. The African elephant sends powerful, low-frequency rumbles, known as infrasound, and seismic vibrations through the ground. The white rhino has a wide, square lip and a neck hump. The massive territorial gape reveals formidable tusks. This sheer physical power and aggressive displacements. When lowering its head to drink, a specialized network of blood vessels regulates the giraffe's blood pressure. They favor the African forest elephant, genetically distinct, thrives in this dense habitat. Its straight tusk The striking black and white markings and formidable horns of the gemsbok are instantly recognizable. How does the greater kudu use its massive, spiral horns and woodland camouflage to evade predators? During the breeding season, the dominant ram must constantly guard his harem. When challenged, the impala shows its Sitatunga is a master of the marshes, thanks to its uniquely adapted, splayed hooves, which prevent it from sinking into the soft mud. The eland, Africa's largest antelope, is known for its surprisingly gentle nature despite its massive size and impressive horns. The sable antelope, with its striking facial mask, is renowned for its aggressive defense. It lowers its lethal, curved revered. The springbok performs the pronk, an energetic, stiff-legged leap, primarily to signal fitness. The waterbuck prefers areas close to water, utilizing its coarse, oily coat which repels moisture and deters predators with its distinct scent. Specialized hooves, tipped with rubbery edges, get the klipspringer its remarkable balance and grip, allowing it to navigate seemingly impossible terrain.
The magnificent bongo, characterized by its vibrant stripes, is increasingly rare.
The greater kudu is significantly larger, weighing up to 600 pounds more, and prefers dense woodlands, while the The specialized long neck and ability to stand fully upright allows the Gerynanook to reach the tallest branches. The addax utilize their broad hooves to unearth moisture-rich tubers, a vital survival skill in this harsh environment. They move as a cohesive herd.
The bontebok, once on the brink of extinction, has made a dramatic comeback. This is a story of hope and dedicated conservation.
The striking white belly and wetland-dependent lifestyle of the lechwe. With specialized tendons and powerful hindquarters, the topi can sustain incredible speeds. This endurance is The dominant bull maintains his herd through displays of strength. When challenged, he will aggressively The bushbuck is a solitary creature, rarely seen far from the dense riverine vegetation. How does the nyala display extreme sexual dimorphism, making males and females look like entirely different species? The red duiker, characterized by its rich, glossy coat, expertly navigates the dense undergrowth, often diving headfirst into the thicket to evade detection. The common duiker is known for its varied, omnivorous diet. Primarily browsers, they readily supplement branches. The steenbok, though solitary, is often seen in pairs across the open savanna. Here, they utilize the abandoned, once extinct in the wild. The scimitar-horned oryx is a triumph of conservation, with its herds now roaming the Sahel once again. The Thompson's gazelle is a primary food source for predators, but its evasion tactics are remarkable. Their speed. The most striking difference is size. The Grant's is significantly taller. It also lacks the distinct black stripes. Known for their distinctive spectacles and lyre-shaped horns, the Hirola is the world's most critically endangered antelope. As the herd bolts, their stripes merge into a dizzying wave of black and white. This makes it incredibly difficult for the pursuing lions to single out a target. The endangered Grevy's zebra is unique, displaying narrow, dense stripes across its body and exceptionally large, rounded ears.
From sophisticated tool use like termite fishing to the intricate social bonds of grooming.
The peaceful social structure of the mountain gorilla is a marvel, but their survival depends entirely on the tireless consort. The powerful silverback, enjoying this vibrant fruit, is essential for seed dispersal.
Deep within the equatorial forests live the mandrills. These massive multi-male troops are the largest.
How do Chacma baboons adapt to highly diverse environments, from desert cliffs to suburban edges?
The olive baboon spends its day foraging for roots and insects. But vigilance is paramount.
The vervet uses distinct calls for different threats. A bark means ground danger, while a high-pitched chirp warns of eagles, sending. Using its specialized night vision, the Senegal bush baby prepares to launch. Its powerful hind legs enable it to clear impressive gaps in the canopy. Detail the adaptations of the patas monkey, known as the fastest primate on Earth, suited for life on the open savanna. Behold the aardvark. Its strange body is perfectly adapted for digging, creating essential habitats that benefit the entire ecosystem. Covered in keratin scales, the Temminck's ground pangolin's defense mechanism is to curl into this impenetrable ball. How does the crested porcupine defend itself against large predators like lions, using its specialized quills?
Deep underground, the naked mole rat defies convention. Cold-blooded and hypersocial, these remarkable rodents live.
Built for life underground, the Cape Golden mole is completely blind. It uses those powerful claws and a sensitive snout to ceaselessly tunnel through the soil. Basking helps the hyrax regulate its temperature. Look closely and you'll see why this small mammal is the elephant's closest living relative. The spring hare plays a unique ecosystem role, burrowing extensively and aerating the soil.
The four-toed elephant shrew uses its distinctive, flexible snout to relentlessly probe the forest floor for insects.
The notorious honey badger lives up to its aggressive reputation, with thick, loose skin providing defense. How does the African striped weasel utilize its striking warning coloration to deter potential threats? Focusing on the hunting efficiency of the spotted-necked otter. A burst of speed and a precise strike secures its meal, a testament to its aquatic prowess. This prehistoric giant uses a lethal death stare before launching its massive bill into the swamp, ambushing the unsuspecting lungfish.
Explore the massive nesting structures and unique look of the hammerkop.
Forming a tight crescent, the pelicans accelerate, splashing the water to create a living net. Then,
The Kori bustard, the heaviest flying bird on Earth, forages the savanna floor, stalking and catching its prey with impressive speed.
These hornbills practice cooperative foraging, moving together to find prey. Later, the group works.
Often called the undertaker bird, the marabou stork certainly has a bizarre appearance. But its role as a scavenger is vital to the ecosystem. Following the bird's persistent call, the foragers locate the prized honey. This unique bond ensures both the humans and the honey guide share in the sweet reward.
How does the Ripple's vulture achieve record-breaking flight altitudes? And what is its role in disease prevention?
Explore the nesting colonies and bright red coloration of the southern carmine bee-eater. This symbiotic relationship, where the oxpecker cleans the buffalo of parasites, is vital for the health of both species on the savanna. How does the red-billed oxpecker assist its hosts? And what are the downsides of its feeding behavior? The pin-tailed whider is known for its striking long tail feathers and its parasitic breeding habits, laying its own eggs in the nests of other species.
These distinctive birds forage in large flocks, constantly scratching the dry earth. Gliding silently through the moonlit savanna, the Vero's eagle owl relies on pinpoint hearing to locate
The class's cuckoo, a flash of iridescent brilliance. But this beauty hides a darker secret. It is a brood parasite.
The greater flamingo filters small prey from the water using its specialized beak.
We examine how the sacred ibis forages in these wetlands, and its historical significance in ancient cultures.
Known for their striking black and white patterns, pied kingfishers utilize a unique hovering technique, allowing them to spot and catch fish with incredible precision. Weighing little more than a coin, the malachite kingfisher is a master of the plunge, showcasing jewel-toned agility in a spectacular display of hunting prowess.
The red-billed quelea, the most numerous wild bird on Earth, can form massive flocks that devastate crops in minutes. One of the world's most venomous snakes, the black mamba exhibits terrifying speed and a fearsome threat display, revealing the iconic inky black mouth. Perfectly camouflaged, the puff adder waits patiently. Its lightning-fast strike and tendency to remain still when approached. The Cape Cobra's dramatic hood expansion is a fearsome warning. When threatened, it strikes with precision. The boomslang is perfectly adapted to its arboreal habitat, its vibrant scales offering incredible camouflage. The Mozambique spitting cobra can eject streams of cytotoxic venom with incredible accuracy, often aiming directly for the eyes. This demonstrates the python's constricting hunting method. With elegance. How does the leopard tortoise adapt its shell and behavior to withstand the scorching heat of the African sun?
The African bullfrog possesses rough, bumpy skin and these distinctive ridges. It can also...
The flap-necked chameleon is a master of disguise, capable of independent eye movement and rapid color change to evade detection.
Known as the sulcata tortoise, these giants can live for decades. They use their powerful legs to dig This is the world of the savanna termite, masters of architecture. A complex caste system allows for such massive structures. These military-like raids are highly organized. What's truly remarkable, however, is their rescue behavior, carrying wounded comrades back to the colony. The baboon spider is an ambush predator. When threatened, it rears up, displaying its fangs and the neurotoxic venom used for defense. The emperor scorpion, a vibrant cyan under UV light, tracks its prey through the dense rainforest.
The tsetse fly plays a significant role in African ecosystems. As it bites, it transmits the parasite.
This undulating cloud is a vast swarm of desert locusts. They fly relentlessly, consuming all vegetation in their path. Active primarily at night, the tree hyrax uses its specialized feet to grip the mossy bark as it forages for leaves and fruit. Solitary and nocturnal, the bush pig contrasts sharply with the more common warthog, seen here grazing openly in the bright daylight. The giant forest hog navigates this dense environment using immense strength, relying on its powerful shoulders and snout to... With their striking orange coats and tufted ears, these social animals, known as a sounder, forage together along the dense riverbanks.
The Barbary macaque, the only wild primate in Europe, is characterized by its thick fur and lack of a tail.
The Walia ibex, found only in these rugged Ethiopian highlands, is detailing the unique adaptations of the aoudad reveals a master of the desert. Their shaggy coat provides camouflage. How does the Somali wild ass survive in hyper-arid volcanic deserts? And what is its genetic importance? Meet the Dama gazelle, the largest and most endangered gazelle. Its striking white coat and reddish neck make it unique among African fauna. To navigate the deep dunes, the slender-horned gazelle possesses uniquely broad hooves, which splay wide to distribute its weight across the soft surface. The mountain nyala's thick, shaggy coat and sure-footedness are crucial adaptations to this rugged, high-altitude environment. Puku's reliance on water is evident. The dominant ram asserts his territory with a sharp whistle grunt, swiftly chasing off the intruder.